Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Today we're going to learn how to make pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie is very easy. First, you get a very pure pumpkin. You mix in a little bit of spicy pumpkin, 2 round chickens, and some milk in a can. Once you've mixed everything up, you put it in a large circular graham cracker. And then you put the finished pie in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes have passed, you reduce the temperature to 350 degrees, and you bake it for another 35 or 40 minutes. Waiting for a pumpkin pie. Waiting for a pumpkin pie. Waiting for a pumpkin pie. Alexa, how much time is left on the timer?
You have 23 minutes left on your 40-minute timer.
Waiting for a pumpkin pie. Alexa, how much time is left on the timer?
You have 22 minutes left on your 40-minute timer.
Waiting for a pumpkin pie. Waiting for a pumpkin pie. There it is. Alexa, how much time is left on the timer?
You have 18 minutes left on your 40-minute timer.
Waiting for a pumpkin pie. Waiting for a pumpkin pie. I'm waiting, oh, 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 I'm waiting for a pumpkin pie. I really want a pumpkin pie. Alexa, how much time is left on the timer?
You have 16 minutes left on your 40-minute timer.
16 minutes left. Okay. Alexa, how much time is left on the timer?
You have 15 minutes left on your 40-minute timer.
Okay, 15. After which, you have a pie.